Okay, in the world of chemical exfoliation, BHAs and AHAs are famous for the way they get rid of your dead skin cells, leaving you with skin that is as soft as a baby's bottom. But there is a new kid on the block that you may not know yet: LHA. So sit back and relax while I break down everything you need to know about LHAs. Hi, I'm Elaine Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so we know that exfoliation is good for the skin, but even though all skin acids work in the same way, there are crucial differences in how they work and what type of skin they work best for. All you really need to know is that all acids work by loosening the bonds holding dead skin to the skin's surface, stimulating the turnover of new cells and improving the skin's health overall. Now, skin acids can be broken down into two main groups: AHAs like glycolic, lactic, and malic acid, which are water soluble, and BHAs like salicylic acid and willow bark extract, which are oil soluble. But now the question is, where do LHAs come into all this? Well, LHAs, or lipohydroxy acids, are active ingredients derived from vegan-friendly fruit acids. LHA is actually a derivative of salicylic acid, which comes from willow bark. But LHA's structure is more lipophilic or fat dissolving. Interesting. Essentially, LHA supports the natural lipids or fats of the skin, helping to maintain a healthier skin barrier. Fun fact: L'Oreal researchers in 1980s first developed lipohydroxy acids as a way to improve upon salicylic acid. This hydroxy molecule is excellent for targeting excess skin cells in oily skin. LHAs were initially designed to be used in combination with other BHAs like salicylic acid. This was to boost the effect on, clearing up acne and congested skin. Think build-up of sweat, impurities, and sebum in the pores, leading to breakouts and uneven, dull skin. In fact, LHAs are especially helpful for reducing breakouts, as they are excellent at unclogging pores and reducing the size of your pores. LHAs also promote brighter, more youthful-looking skin, helping address the visible signs of aging, and you know them, right? Like fine lines, wrinkle, and dark spots. And they can help improve hyperpigmentation as well, in addition to reducing the bacteria on the skin, and they will also help you fight the appearance of scars. So really, they're very, very useful if you have acne or acne-prone skin, oily combination skin. So, how does it stack up to BHAs? Well, for obvious reasons, as I just mentioned, LHAs are often compared to salicylic acid, which is pretty drying on the skin, right? But LHAs do actually the opposite. They have an extraordinary ability to help the skin retain moisture, leaving you with a soft, hydrated, and overall more supple skin. Pay attention. Salicylic acid has a pH of around 3, which is quite acidic. In contrast, LHAs have a pH of about 5, which is closer to our skin natural pH level. And this means LHAs are less harsh and softer on your skin's natural barrier. Can you guess where this is going? Yes, LHAs are indeed an excellent alternative for skin that cannot tolerate other chemical exfoliants. And this is also due to the large molecule structure of LHAs. So the LHAs penetrate the skin slowly on a cell-by-cell basis. This means you can tolerate them easily, and they allow other active ingredients to penetrate the skin more effectively.
You ain't by that fast life, 100 on the dash with the cash light.
Listen, not only are LHAs gently exfoliators, but they are astringent ingredients. Basically, they tighten the pores, which is why they are commonly found in facial cleansing products like cleansers, toners, or spot treatments. Okay, so at this point, you may be wondering, what skin types are LHAs best suited to? Or you may already have an idea. I would say that, if you have, flaky or uneven skin, or if you are in the dry side of things, you can use AHAs. And, LHAs are well suited, I will say, more for oily, acne-prone, especially if your skin has become too sensitive due to all the stuff you've been doing and putting in your face to control your acne or shine. I think that this is a good option for you. But don't get too excited. As always, it's best to err on the side of caution when introducing a new ingredient into your skincare routine. As gentle as LHAs are, it's especially recommended for those with sensitive skin or eczema to just, do a patch first. But if you have sensitive skin or eczema, you know this. Once your skin has given its okay, you can use it, I will say, once or even twice a day after cleansing. After the product has been absorbed into your skin, don't forget to seal the ingredient with a good moisturizer appropriate for your skin type, and follow up if you are doing it in the morning with a broad spectrum SPF. Because like any other hydroxy acid, LHAs increase the skin's photosensitivity. Also, remember that no matter how we exfoliate or what we exfoliate with, we should not overdo it. Okay, over exfoliation can seriously aggravate the skin, causing redness, inflammation, and sensitivity. And it can be pretty uncomfortable, right? Sometimes it can even be painful if you disrupt your skin barrier, and you will be less protected from external damaging factors like free radicals. So don't overdo it. Listen, in summary, LHAs may be a good option if you are looking to fight acne or clean up oily skin without really stripping it, or if you're looking for a gentle method of exfoliation. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Let me know also if you are using LHAs. Maybe you don't even know that you are using them. That's it. Thank you for being here with me today. I appreciate you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.